blankets.
It was a cold winter day when a mole found a mitten in the snow.
Huh? This is great! Now I've got a cozy home.
Mole, may I come in?
May I join you?
My muzzle is freezing.
My tail has become frozen from the cold.
I can't see anything because of the heavy snow.
Can we come in too?
Oh, ouch!
Oh, stop pushing me!
Move over then.
Oh, my ear! My ear!
Can you move your tail?
Oh, this is perfect!
Let's go get him!
Whoa!
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Yes, of course, I will! Oh, a plane! Everyone, to the left! Chubby, be careful!
Huh? Oh, thanks, Rudolph.
Hooray for Rudolph! Hooray for his glowing red nose! And all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Hooray! Hooray for Rudolph!
Rudolph saved Christmas. Santa delivered all of the presents to the children of the world.